love the experience. It was my first time.
You get it on your phone and you get hints on your phone.
It was a good level of challenging and fun.
You explore, you end up walking, visiting different places.
It was also very educational, which was pretty cool.
And I really want to do it again. 10 out of 10.